1, 2. Okay. Live. Live. Okay, there we go. Clapping J. Cole's album. Live. Slaps hard. Okay. Okay, there we go. Clapping J. Cole's album. Live. Slaps hard. Okay. Okay, there we go. Clapping J. Cole's album. Live. Slaps hard. Okay. Okay, there we go. Clapping J. Cole's album. Live. Slaps hard. Okay. Okay, there we go. Clapping J. Cole's album. Let's get push. Slaps hard. Hey, what's up? I'm building the UFC app. UFC Prediction. It's for UFC fans, basically. You can see on the screen we have UFC events upcoming, and we have predictions like statistics from the fighters. I'm building UFC striking, grappling, and we have algorithm which feeds on the data and gives us the predictions for the UFC fights. You can see on the screen. Basically for the UFC fans. I'm a big UFC fan, and yeah, like this is like a hobby project. Like also we have Edge Finder, its functionality, striking, grappling, helping find good bets, which could cause profit, and gives us the predictions for the UFC fights. And yeah, basically that's it. Not a big functionality. UFC rankings, compare. You can compare fighters. Like also we have Edge Finder, its functionality, striking, grappling, helping find. Yep. Yeah, sorry, I just fixed it. It should be okay now. Thanks for pointing out. So yeah, I mean, today I will try to finalize. Basically, the app is almost done. I will be just cleaning up the code and making some bug fixes, and maybe deploy today for to Vercel. And also, yeah, making a planning for today with Claude, creating a planning list, housekeeping kind of, you know. Okay, so basically this was just a hobby project, and why people may need this, for example, people who enjoy UFC, like me for example. There are actually many channels who make prediction videos, and everyone uses like UFC.com. They go there and they check statistics for fighters, and they record videos, make predictions. And this website will be like more comfortable. You have like more information here and more comfortable way. Like you have all the statistics, and you have this compare tool, which will display like all the data, like grappling, striking, also the prediction algorithm, and just for comparing fighters, you know. Initial idea, yes, predict matches, but initial idea was even better. I initially wanted to do like a live real-time fights, like you can go to a real event when it starts and you have the statistics showing real time. Like for example, fight started, and on the 2nd minute or 3rd minute you can see already like strikes real time, you know. Oh, this fighter has like 10 strikes, 20 strikes, because many people cannot watch the fight because you have to pay for it, it's not on the TV, so it's hard. So basically I wanted to do a tool where people can come and live watch here like statistics, and there would be also chat where people can chat. But it turns out it's very hard to do it. You cannot scrape data because some gambling websites like Bet365 have this real-time data, but you cannot scrape from it, and you cannot buy that real-time data. So it's kind of a blocker. So this functionality falls off. I can still kind of implement a little bit similar. I can fetch odds real time, and based on the odds I can show the percentages of who is winning. I could do that actually, but yeah, the main goal is kind of a blocked. So besides that, yeah, it will be like a simple, like nice, comfortable UI wise statistics or predictions. Sometimes I enjoy to make UFC videos on my other channel, so maybe I will be using this one for reference, just to display the statistics and analyze the fight, you know. Yeah. Do you watch UFC? Do you enjoy it? Yeah, thanks man, thanks. J. Cole album really slaps. So for 6 minutes, what is Claude doing? Like 6 minutes, it's doing something. I just told him to plan out today's stream, the to-do list. Oh no way. I think I just forgot to switch to plan mode, and he just started implementing testing, because I mentioned that we need to do testing today. Implement tests. So, testing setup, white test, component cleanup, and build verification. Okay. And today I want to just manually check the code. I already have seen how messy can Claude make the components. Hey, I don't know, to be honest. Nickname. Hey, what's up? I think it's because everyone just prefers wipe coding for now. Nobody watches simple coding streams. Maybe that could be the reason. And you know how much hype this Claude has lately. But I'm not just a vibe coder, I am experienced developer, I know how to code. It's just Claude just lets me build really quick, deliver projects. So that's one of the reasons. Like in 7 days I built this, otherwise it would take like longer, you know, to build this. So that's one of the reasons. It's just a cool thing that lets you build fast. I will soon finish this. I want to start something else. And if I would be just coding, it would really take long, you know. And plus nobody wants to watch like simple coding tutorials, you know. But yeah, you are right, like there are many vibe coding streams, I have noticed that. It's the hype for now. Actually, because of this cloud code and all these AIs, non-tech people like who don't know coding, they also want to try it out, you know, to start building. Like entrepreneurs, you know, like people now just... It's kind of a good thing, you know, it kind of draws attention and many people want to get into it, and I think it's cool, like. Okay, so what do we have? Component cleanup. Like I noticed, like you shouldn't give big prompts to Claude. You shouldn't push everything into one big prompt. Like that's a big mistake. Like the most effective it is, I noticed, like when you just split it, like give like feature by feature, not very big ones. Give prompts feature by feature, and like the more engaged you are, like, and split tasks feature by feature, it's much more effective. I just forgot to switch to plan mode right now, and I just gave it a big prompt. I asked for planning today different tasks. One of them was testing, and it just started implemented everything. And it tends to like throw everything into one component and make it messy, which is not cool. So I'll be fixing that today, I guess. Plus it's interesting what pattern it uses. Like I have not configured it a lot to some specific pattern, so I can, at my like full-time project, it's completely different. The folder structure compared to this one, what our Claude created, it's completely different. This one is not that organized. Like, if some new developer looks at this, I think he'll be confused, like, what is where, you know, like, what is this edge folder, what is this events, like, at least I understand because I was working on it, but it's not efficient, it's not professional, you know, like this. So today I'll try to clean up or organize stuff because I like it that way as well. Like, it's a small project, only me is working on it, but still, like, let's stick to the rules. Okay, running for 11 minutes already, 18,000 socket. Before I open the new terminal, I just want to finish the planning, commit the code, and then open new terminal. Also, one useful thing, always to commit the code before starting implementing some new features. Before that, let's just have fun here. Let's make Abdulashvili fight Piotr Yan. John Jones. Funny bug. Okay, so it's finalizing. Okay, what do we have here? Implementation complete. Okay, Deleted files, stale files. Compare, okay. Okay. It created, okay, nice. So we have 3 branches for now. Development, master branch is the original branch which we had. And production branch. Okay, nice. Deleted 5 stale files. Updated git ignore with scrape progress files, debug artifact screenshots. Committed all uncommitted work. Created dev and prod branches. Vercel cron jobs. Created Vercel with cron schedule. M scrape, AM odds. Built scrape upcoming route. Ports full script logit serverless. Build fetch odds. Route daily odds fetching. Okay, updated the env example with new invars. Okay, testing installed Vitest Reactals tests across all passing in 2 seconds. So it implemented the tests. I didn't want him to do it, but okay. So my terrible mistake not to switch on to plain mode. So 99 tests implemented. Prediction engine, constants, utils, format pagination. Components, component cleanup, npm run build, 0 errors, created config, deployment preparation, edit post install, Prisma generate, verify Puppeteer playwright not imported in source, save for serverless, update Claude MD with testing. Okay, 5 commits on dev for deployment, remote. Okay, next steps, connect dtab to Vercel, set up neon postgres, configure envars. Okay, that was the first build attempt that failed. Due to a type error. Now, one question. Let's go to the second terminal for now. By the way, people, is the music heard on stream? Okay, so let's open up second terminal here. Okay, I need to move my camera away actually. Myself to the top. I think it will be like this. Yep, so so we have a local Postgres running. Will it be hard to move this local Postgres to Neon database? How hard will it be? How long will it take? By the way, I need to run the local database. How is the website running without local database? That's a good question. Your project is already set up for it. You're using Prisma driver adapter, okay. But same menu, okay. Update TMV, okay. Push. Okay, so it will be pretty straightforward, easy to move to Neon. To PG dump restore. Okay, that's an important fact actually. You do a PG dump, PG restore. I think I'll do that. Okay, so what's next? Are we committed? Yep. Now I want to fix actually this page. Where is this front end plugin, by the way? Can't find it anymore. On the compare page, we have trending matchups. Please make them a bit bigger because it's hard to see them, they look small. Okay, let's go to Stitch. I was trying to generate some stuff, but I couldn't, it wasn't working the other day. Yeah, actually this page. The compare page doesn't look good. This page is for comparing fighters, and as you can see in the center, trending fighter matchups. Can you please make it more beautiful, user-friendly? J. Cole is popping. On the main page, the top event, make the whole card clickable and make cursor pointer. I need some good name and logo actually. Okay, we have generated the design. Looks good. Better actually. Not a big difference, it just fills the empty space. Clear the context. On compare page, make trending matchups, the components a bit wider. There's one page which I wanted to check. This one, yeah. Please make this component more user-friendly. The colors are a bit not matching. Please give 3 variations of adjustments on this design. And let's see how it adjusts here. It should be as wide as the container. Okay, let me just try it myself. Okay, so max width, let's set full. With full. Yep, this is much better. Hey man, I'm from Georgia. What about you? Pereira, why is it only names? Name. Why only? Name split. Why are we splitting the name? We need full names. Trending matchups. Here we're also splitting the name. Okay, we don't need to split the name. Okay, we have a couple of generated designs. Actually, this one is cool. This is better actually. So on the compare page, trending matchups, please redesign to the like in the image provided. Let's see. Lately, Claude just can't redesign, can't follow the image design well. It was doing it good a week ago, but for some strange reason, it's not doing it right lately. I noticed this tendency, by the way, when a new model comes out, like new agent model, like in the beginning it's really good, and there's a big hype that oh, it's the best model ever and it's the best at coding and it's over for developers. But then after some times it really becomes shit, like, or I don't know, like. But it's a fact, like, when it came out that day and next couple of days, it was great. But now I see it just can't do basic stuff sometimes. It's really weird. Okay, so Okay, it updated. Still not bad, I think. Still not bad, but what is this Versus? Like here, basically, but yeah, if we just don't, if we ignore this, it's fine. But this is being overflowed, titles. Okay. Instead of Versus, let's just write yes. And the second fighter's names are cut off. Okay, by the way, I'll just try to run the tests. What's the command for it? It's great progress. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is much better. And let's go to mobile design. On the fighters page, it seems a bit empty. Let's do something like trending fighters and show like cards, the profiles of the fighters, so user can click on them. Let's choose the champions from each division. Let's display total 5 fighters. Let's pick randomly a champion from each division. Okay, I'll just start deploying. Just need to check. I haven't deployed to Versailles for a long time. So, is it possible to deploy to Versailles? Actually. Yep, actually I need to commit and push to Git so that I can try to deploy to Vercel, but at the same time I need to push it to Neon, the database. Let's start the process of setting up the Neon and pushing our database there, moving our database to Neon. Hey, let's see, compare fights. Why is this empty? There's nothing there, bro, nothing there. Not there, bro. Not there, bro. Okay, I noticed you have put them to the fights page, but no, not fights page. Yeah, I have noticed you have put them to the compare page, which is wrong. We need to put these fighters cards on the fights page. Please move them there. Okay, so step by step, how should we move to Neon? You got solid dataset. That's the raw total well within Neon 3 tier. Well within, okay. Sign up Neon, create new project. Okay, I'm already signed up to Neon. Neon Postgres. Okay, where am I? On a J. Cole project? J. Cole. Okay, disc 2. J. Cole's album. Disc 1 was amazing actually. Let's see the second disc. Hey Walid. How to install the Claude code? I think the easiest way is just to follow the instructions on their official website. I can really show you real quick. Cloud, quick start, Claude code, quick start. Here. Just type Claude code quick start and you can follow the instructions. Whether you have Windows or Mac, you can just put this command to the terminal and install it, and then you can just type Claude and it will run in the terminal. But you need subscription first. Okay, so where are we? I need to sign up on Neon. Okay guys, Here we have Neon. Let's sign up. I have some project which I need to delete. Delete project. Create project. What do we want? Okay, create project. Region. The region should be Virginia. Okay, I think it'll be fine. MMA companion. Okay, let's install. Or I don't need it yet. Okay. You want free version? Okay, so I heard there is some free hack or something, not hack, but some free version of Claude I have heard, but I have not tried it. I think you need to try with Ollama or something, like Ollama has free version of Claude, but I have not checked it, to be honest. But you can just try Ollama free code in Google and you'll definitely find it. Actually, I have had installed Ollama free version of DeepSeek. It was fine, like not a big deal, but yeah, you can definitely have it on your local computer, the free version, which you can use unlimited, like all the time. Okay. So on fighters page, let's remove the select filters to search text, because we already have division champions to fill the empty space. So let's just remove that. I think it's pretty obvious for a user to filter out. So okay, so now there's one more issue, UI issue here. Okay, there's one more UI issue. As you can see, the fighters cards, the display, or even when we filter out the fight and we see the list of fights, is wider than the container. So container width, if you compare the header and the search filter, is kind of in one container, but the fighters filtered out fighter lists is wider. So can we please balance it so it's also within the container? Hey, no one, thanks man. What's up? Okay, it got fixed real quick. Got fixed real quick. I don't like this coloring. I also don't like these colors. Need to adjust the switch, the toggles of the colors. Okay, this is weird. What is this? Round by round statistics. And for some fights we don't have it available. Okay. So Max Holloway, Charles Oliveira, Max Holloway, it's okay, it's in the future. Roman Sarukian, then Hooker. Okay. Font is too small here, I can't see. And also the colors are not good actually. I know, let's go throw this to Stitch. This is my page where I display the list of fights. Please make them more beautiful, more user-friendly. Give me 5 variations, okay? 5 variations. No one. Yeah, I mean for sure. Let's roll that bookies. Okay, you'll be the first one to test. I will deploy it soon, so in 1 week you will have a possibility to test the predictions, so stay tuned. I'll definitely share some VIP access for you to access more the VIP predictions from AI. Okay. Okay, so what do we have here? Like 000, what is this? Yeah, fixing data bugs will be the hardest, I think. Okay, just a moment, I think I noticed something. Something weird. And then it disappeared. Okay, here as well. Okay, so let's see what we have generated here. So this is a fight finder. No, this looks messy. No, that's also not cool. It kind of looks weird. I'm not even sure about this. I will ask him just to regenerate this one. Give some 3 variations. You can change layout, colors. Give 3 variations, let's see. Okay, so it has all the pages in that app folder, and they are scattered all across. Okay, components, config, lib, compute trends. Okay, so did it migrate the whole database? Let me check. Okay, let's see how the database is moved. Yep, so storage. Let's see if it affected storage or something. Tables, let's go. Okay, everything is moved. That's amazing. Everything is moved. There are like 1,500 fighters. Okay, now the question is, okay, so now the Neon database is wired to the project, am I right? So if I deploy this project, the cron jobs will do the scraping and it will directly update the Neon, am I right? Okay, let's see new versions. This is kind of cool, this one. Actually, this color is good. What is this color? I want to change this blue color. I hate it. White Finder. Okay, this is good. Now, how to find out what color it is more? Design system. Oh. Copy to Figma. Okay, no need. I don't want to wait for this. I will just copy paste this. This will be a new task for Claude. So let's clear the context. Let's throw this picture. This is the updated design for fight page. Please make changes based on this photo. And also on one point, as you can see, the fight finder, there's a different color for the finder word. Right now, as you know, we are using this light blue color for everything, like for the logo, for the selected route. So basically, I want you to change this color, light blue color, to this gray color as in the picture. Please try to identify which color is used in the image and change our whole light blue palette to that gray color. But there's one thing: if we change it, how will header look like? That's a good question. So if I mix if I damage something, there's a big problem. But first I will commit, then I will throw this prompt. So we are exactly everything that reads database URL. Your cron jobs, the scrape files will now hit Neon, so when deployed to Warsaw. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay, let's commit everything and push to the dev branch. Okay, then I'll throw this new prompt. It's like experimental. I'm not sure if it will change all the colors, like on every page. Okay, pushing. Okay, committed and push to develop. Okay, cool. Now we can experiment with this prompt. Let's go. Because it's a big change. We have like a light blue color everywhere. Changing this color right now is not a bit, but good risky move. I think it will mess it up. You know, I will give this prompt to Stitch. I need to give him good example actually. This one. So please pay attention to the light blue color that I used on my page. As you can see, the title or the logo MMA fight fight is highlighted in light blue color. This is like basic color palette for my page. Can you please change it instead of light blue? Try to find a color that will fit the overall design of the page. Okay, here's one more bug. This is not consistent size. Yeah, it's interesting to check the usage right now. Okay, it's not even like half of the session. This weekend will be cool time to push and burn the tokens. Throughout the week didn't have too much time because of the job. Yeah, this is what I will do today. I'm gonna try to deploy this to Vercel. It's a simple process. Basically, the idea is to push the code to GitHub. I already have hosted to GitHub, so Vercel.com has like pretty easy. You can just import your repos from GitHub and just deploy it and host it. It's like easy. So today for testing, I will just the beta version, as to say, I will deploy to Vercel. And I think in a week or two after I finish all the testing and finish all the features, then I'm gonna buy domain, the real one, and then I'm gonna deploy to domain. And it will be easy also. Like I think I will just run the build, Next.js build, and deploy the build. There could be some more details how to deploy on hosting, but yeah, I mean, I will check. It's not gonna be a problem. It's basically kind of a static website, but it has some cron jobs, which do calls every day to UFC for data fetching, and also to API to fetch the odds. And I will set that up. I think hosting has this feature for free. It offers you different cron jobs. Cron jobs is basically as automated tasks which you can perform every day. So you can set it up on hosting and do it, because this app is not that much complicated, so it will be pretty straightforward. Yeah, I will for sure link it once I deploy it. Okay, so Claude kind of updated some things. Okay, so this is the new color instead of the blue. It kind of looks a bit like plain now, shallow, you know, but I didn't like that blue color. Let's see what Stitch generates, but Stitch I think kind of got stuck. Great. J. Cole's second disc is also slapping. Second album, new album, second disc. Okay, I'll give you a new prompt here. Let's go to main page. Please pay attention to the color of the logo. It's light blue, and this blue color is used as one of the main palettes on my website. Can you please change the blue color to be some other color which will fit the design? Please give me 5 variations. Yeah, this gray color is so gray, like it's grayed out. But this light blue color, I don't know, for me it feels like a basic AI generated color. And also, I don't think like light blue color fits UFC. It still didn't finish. Actually, I can switch the color and try many different. There's actually colors.com or something, colors.com, and I can just discover the different palettes which can match and try it out. Palette generator, explore palettes, image pick, color picker, get useful confirmation like mini. Contrast checker. So to use this, I think I need to paste my color, whatever is on my web page. Where is this color? RGB, this one. Yep, this is the one. Okay. Here, where can I enter the color here? I forgot. There was a possibility to enter the color here. Color picker. Change color. Okay. Yeah. No. Okay, lock it. Okay, so we can generate. Okay, we have some options here. Which one will fit? I think the red one looks kind of better, or the orange one. This. Okay, the red one, I guess. The red one seems fine. Okay, red one. Which red is this? Okay, so can you please point out the code of this red color? I don't think it will do it, but still. Okay, let's try this. Very dark colors, palettes. I think it's here. Brand. Nope. Okay, this is the one. Hey, Classy, thanks a lot, man. Okay, let's try out this one. Is this fine though? I think it's okay, but this is a bit like, okay, we need a different red. This one. Let's try out this. Okay, this is much better. Yep, this is the one. This is the one, but one thing concerns me now is like this, we have gradient yellowish color in the back. I kind of don't feel that it fits a lot. Maybe try out something different. Okay, I'll try to test deep understanding of Google 3 Flash. I will share. Let's see how detail oriented it is. Okay, which one would be a good example? Actually, let me do like this. I will make this disappear, this card. Let me find this banking grid. Okay, good. Let me send it. Okay, so okay now. Hey, Walid. It's cool. What's up, man? So we changed the color. Now it's red one as our main brand color. And as you can see, I'm using yellow gradient on my website background. So I think the yellow gradient doesn't really fit into red color of the brand. Can you please suggest a slightly different color for gradient background? Let's see if it notices. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so J. Cole's second disc from the new album really slaps, and the track called I Love Her Again is really hitting hard. The flow is something else there. So, what else can we improve here? But this kind of got messed up. What is the rankings? Ranking got messed up. Yeah, the coloring is a bit messed up right now. And this is like a rainbow here. I don't like this. What is this? Yeah, looks a bit weird now. Okay, so yeah, this gradient color actually would be good. More like a light yellow. Okay, where is our gradient component? Actually, I don't remember. I think this is the one. Yep. We don't have lights red generated. Maybe something like this. What tool do I use for prototyping the UI? What do you mean by prototyping? The UI I'm generating with Stitch, this Google Stitch. Stitch with Google. Let's see this one. Yep. This is better or no? Actually looks weird. Nope, this is not good. Maybe something like this. Yeah, for me I think it's the best tool yet which I found that can generate more or less good designs. Yeah, I think it's better to make this color a bit lighter. Yeah, I'm not sure anymore. Maybe I should just restore the last commit. I'm kinda in a difficult situation right now. These colors got me confused. No, I guess I will just restore my commit. This has gone wrong. This is like too many different colors. They don't vibe like. Okay, how many changes do we have? Just color changes, I guess. Yep, only color change, that's fine. Last discard all changes. Okay, discard all changes, please. The changing colors have gone wrong. Yeah, the power of committing, guys, always remember. Okay, we're back. But the background color is still the same. Let me restore this. Okay. Yep, back. Yeah, I think I will not touch this for now. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I guess I can just try to deploy to Vercel. What's the next steps? We have pushed the database to Neon. Now I need to Okay, what is the next steps? What is necessary to do before we deploy to Vercel, or we can proceed to deploying to Vercel? I think everything is ready. It's already possible to deploy to Vercel. Yeah, this is funny thing which I was just like for fun doing this. But this, then I realized that it requires a lot of work for this to make something good out of this animations, I mean. So this, I will just hide, not deploy this. It was fun just experimenting with 3D models in React, try to make some animations. Okay, so to deploy on Vercel, connect the repo, set the branch to prod once you merge, okay. Run jobs will start. Okay. So everything is pretty simple. I'll try it out now. New project on Vercel. Okay, but is the how to say, the production branch in sync with dev? I'm not sure about it. I mean, the dev's latest changes, whether they are pushed. Dev master. Prod branch is not there. Please make sure the prod branch is also pushed. Okay, both branches are pushed. Okay, let's check it out. Compare and pull request. Prod is here. Why does it ask me to create pull request? I don't understand. Master, for master branch, okay. Okay, we ignore the master branch for now. Let's go to prod. Visit pushes. Prod had written pushes, okay. So it asks me to it's because the default branch is not up to date. Okay, I can just push to master branch later, it's not a big deal. I'll try to deploy to Vercel the prod branch. Building output. Yep, I need to add the environment variables for now. Okay, so deploying is in the process. Yeah, it's deploying. Okay, something failed. Okay, that's cool. We have TypeScript build fail because it says it doesn't like any type. Okay, let me try to run the build locally. Let's see if the build fails locally. Hey, J2X. Actually, that's right approach. Thanks for that. I definitely need to do that. It's just the first time I'm deploying right now, lately, with the Claude code, with Claude code for the first time, so I'll definitely do it. So locally the build passes. I need to take a note actually. Cloudflare Superbase, you have a skill for deployment. Yeah, I'll check out. There definitely some skill for that on the marketplace of the skills. Why does build not fail? Okay, I need to check this. So we're still build failed, but locally build does not fail. So what could be the reason for that? To be specific, we have there is an error, type error for using any. And why don't we have that error locally? Yeah, it's really weird. I think it's just not set in our TypeScript config, maybe. It's not, no, it's strict. Why doesn't it do it? Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm on the last song of J. Cole's final album, latest album. The last song of the disc too. It was an amazing album. Six days left actually until Sean Strickland's fight. I need to record the prediction and put it on Instagram. Let's see how many predictions will come true. I just need the underdogs predictions to come to true. When my predictor chooses the underdogs, that will be the hype for MMA community. Okay, so the clean build passes locally too. Can you share the exact error? Okay. Yeah, it's even weird for Claude. Why it is failing there? Okay, so here's our error message. I mean, the error is understandable, it just doesn't like the any type, but the problem here is why don't we have this error coming up when we run the build locally? That's the question. I think just Claude is setting up it in a way that it ignores these errors locally. Okay, so update tsconfig. Okay, it was what does this update have to do with it? Yeah, I think I'm going second iteration of listening to J. Cole's latest album. White mismatch. The issue is tsconfig has include ts which matches everything. Locally the exclude script worked fine, but where cells build environment result differently. And type checked script check mahacho, which has untyped parameter, since scripts run outside the strict app context. Ah, okay, change the include to source. Okay. So locally it was excluding the scripts, but where cells build environment didn't exclude the scripts. And I mean that was the issue. It didn't. Okay. But how we were locally excluding? That's the question for me now. How did we locally resolve it differently? Can you point out how we were excluding scripts locally? It's really interesting for me. Okay, so it committed and pushed. Okay, I can redeploy. Okay. Honestly, the same exclude entry was handling it in both cases. This exclude. This worked locally because your local build runs on Windows versus runs on Linux. The global path resolution for scripts in the exclude can behave differently across platforms. It's a known subtle inconsistency with how TypeScript results. Okay. Let's see. So if it passes now, this and we don't have the same error, so Claude is right in this case. Okay, or cell CLI and Claude can solve different additions. Okay, good idea. PNP. I don't have PNP. Yeah. I need to check the usage. Is there some specific for using this. This is for deploying actually, right? I have used it once, I remember. I was deploying some Node.js backend project. It was a long time ago. I remember struggling for a long time deploying there. There were some version mismatches. Okay, I type here. Okay, so same issue. So I think Claude was not right. It still didn't exclude, I think, or it's weird, or maybe it didn't redeploy. Okay, I want to try actually with Vercel CLI locally. Okay, can you point out how we can do it with Vercel actually? Can we emulate the deployment with Vercel CLI locally on Windows? The build still fails because of any type from the scripts, so it means it still doesn't exclude from Vercel. But this will actually more confuse Claude. I'll just try one more time. So it was master branch. I think that was the issue. I tried to deploy master branch. Okay, let me try one more time. Not master branch. Not master branch. Okay, let me try like this. I should be able to change from here, I think. This is where you want to create. Not. Okay, let me try like this. Thanks, Cube. Okay, so yes, has you oath and allows you to do anything in manually but with guidance. Okay, just tell Claude to use CLI get project. Okay, yep, we'll do that. Just yeah, prod. I think it should pass now because I'm the prod one. I'm deploying the prod branch, so it should work now. Let's see. If not, then I'll go asking to use the Vercel CLI. I will ask prod to do that. But let's see. I'm thinking it will pass now. Yep, I think it's passing. Okay, let's see. Yep, it passed. It's deployed. Visible. I'll share the link in the chat. Also, you guys can check. Yeah, I mean, it deployed. That's cool. I will just go straight to testing with the phone and stuff like that. I want to deploy this by the domain. I think in 2 weeks I will deploy this. I will also test how the cron jobs work on Vercel. If we will do the data updates, scraping, and cron jobs for odds fetching. Actually, there is one bug, I think. Odds, no, odds are there. No, I thought odds disappeared. Odds are there. So yeah, like I will proceed with testing, collect like bug lists, what to fix. We'll review it a couple of times. We'll set up, and also by the way, like next weekend there's a UFC fight already. I need to set up this live page. So the idea is when the fight starts, starting from this order, actually it should be reversed, but yeah. So when the fight starts, this should be becoming live, and live fights would have chats. So yeah, I will test this functionality, so users who will enter will be able to chat. I will ask like also my friends to test this when the fight begins, and also I want to display here the probability based on odds fetching. So yeah, let's see, next weekend gonna be fun. I think I'm gonna record some couple of prediction videos, gonna be using this, so yeah. Ryan, thanks a lot, man. And I think yeah, the main goal is I need to make sure the data is clean, the data is correct. It's a lot of like routine process. I need to go through main fights just to see that the strikes are clean, like for the fighters. I was checking some because we have like total strikes over the career, like this one. Significant strikes, need to recheck this everything. Actually, it's crazy. Dude has like striked someone, like some people like 2,086 times. That's crazy. Like UFC fighters are crazy. Just like a wild animals, better man wins. Yeah, it's a wild man sport, like primal sport, you know. It's really primal. Okay, so I think that's it for today. I'm gonna just prepare housekeeping tasks, as to say. It's getting late over here, so I'm gonna end the stream for today, and thanks everyone for watching. Good luck everyone, and hopefully see you next time, next stream. I think I'll stream tomorrow, and it would be nice to see you joining tomorrow. Okay, thanks everyone, bye.